Okay, I want you to pay attention as we solve this question on the board, because a lot of people do find it difficult. Okay, so here the question is, the sum of four consecutive numbers is 58. Find the numbers. Here we don't know the four numbers, but we know their sum. All right, so we are to find the four numbers. Here you can name the numbers what you want. Okay, here we can say, let the numbers be. Let the numbers be a plus 1, a plus 2, a plus 3. Okay, so the first number is a, the second number is a plus 1, the third number is a plus 2, while the fourth number is a plus 3. All right, and their sum is equals to 58. That is, once you add these four numbers together, it's going to give us 58. Okay, so now let's add them together. So we're going to have a plus 1 plus a plus 2 plus a plus 3 equals to 58. Are you getting it? Now, we have a here, we have a, we have a, we have a. So let's add the a's together. A plus a, 2a, plus a, 3a, plus a, 4a, 4a, plus 1 plus 2, 3, plus 2 plus 3, 6, equals to 58. Now, let's collect like terms. Okay, this 6 will move over to this side to meet 58. So we are going to have 4a equals to 58. This 6, once it passes this equality sign, it becomes negative. So we're going to have minus 6. Okay, so we're having 4a equals to 58 minus 6 is going to give us 52. All right, now for us to find this value of our a, we have to divide both sides by 4. Okay, and dividing both sides by 4, we are going to have 4a over 4 equals to 52 over 4. Okay, 4 cancel here, 1 cancel here, 1, 4 cancel here, 1, 4 cancel 5, 1, remainder 1. You put that one here. 4 cancel 12 is 3. So the value of our a is equals to this. All right, so the first number, which is a, is this. Okay, the second number, we added 1 to our a. So the second number is going to be, this is our first number. The second number is going to be 14. All right, the third number, we added 2 to our a. So it's going to be 15. While the fourth number is going to be 16. All right, so these are the four consecutive numbers, and once we add them together, we are going to get 58. So this is our numbers.